Part 3. Rain's going to give us another shot on how to get this tire off of this rim here. We've got the TTR 50, and he's going to try to get this tire off of this rim. See if you can prop it up and get it pushed through that other side. See if you can get it jammed in there. And take, oh, you're getting it. Okay, now, yeah, keep prying it. I think you can straight out. Push that bar straight out of there. Hold that tire up though if you can. Yes, okay. Try to hang on to this section here. There you go. Pry it off. Almost. Maybe pull your tire iron up a little more and get your tool up towards the end of the rim. Like pull it out of there a little bit towards you. Get it like straight up and down. Okay, now pull this tool up a little bit. I'll help you hold the wheel.
He got it.
Nice. Good job, man. So we're to get the tire off of the wheel. You just need a little help holding onto that rim. You got it. Okay, so we're going to start part 4 of how to install this tire again here in a minute, guys. Sai, Rain, part 4 coming up. Tire installation, a new inner tube. All right.